Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful day today. My name is Amanda Hughes and I'm a business consultant coach, and I help people build their own personal brand. And you go through our system, and that system is going to teach you all the step-by-step training that you can leverage and make passive income on automation. Now, my husband and I have helped people create their own personal brand of values to them. We made our brand because we love to travel, we love to be on open road, we love to travel. It's just something that we love to do with our family. And if you love to travel too, and if you want to start making a life that you can live on your own terms and have time freedom, financial freedom, and not having to listen to a boss when you can go take that vacation. If you love to travel and you want a new way of making an income, instead of working harder, you can work smarter, and you're going to be able to change your life from the next 6 months to a year and see the progress, see your potential with your future version of yourself. Start leveling up. I can help you get to that next version and level up. If you're interested, message me. I'd love to hear from you.